In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove SafeSearch in Chrome. We'll go through the process directly in Chrome settings so you can find the option quickly and make the change with confidence. As we move along, keep in mind that some settings may look slightly different depending on your version of Chrome, but the overall path is usually the same. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings, and it's the starting point for many browser changes. After clicking the three dots, select Settings from the menu. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can manage privacy, security, appearance, and other browser features. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. Everything is organized into sections to make it easier to navigate. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the settings page and click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups together features related to browsing safety, permissions, and data protection. Since the option we need is connected to Chrome's security controls, this is the correct place to continue. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, click on Safe Browsing. This page controls how Chrome helps protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. It's important to understand that this setting is part of Chrome's built-in security features, so changing it may affect how much protection you receive while browsing. On the Safe Browsing page, choose No Protection, which may also be labeled as not recommended. When you select this option, Chrome will no longer actively warn you about potentially unsafe websites, downloads, or extensions in the same way. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm your choice to apply the change. That's all you need to do to remove this protection setting in Chrome. Just remember that disabling it can make your browsing less secure. So it's a good idea to be extra careful about the sites you visit and the files you download. If you ever want to turn the protection back on, you can return to the same safe browsing page and choose a higher protection level again. And that's how to remove SafeSearch in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.